welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Divas, and if today is your first time of tuning into my YouTube channel, you are highly welcome, guys. So feel free to subscribe, turn on your notification bell so that you will always get notified each time I drop a new videos. And to my old subscriber, guys, thank you so much. So our online training class is still going, guys. So if you want to join my online training class, you can contact me. Yes, my WhatsApp contact is below the description box. My Instagram page is also below the description box, and on top of this video, on top of my head, you will see my Instagram page there. Yes, guys, so today we are going to be talking about facial cleanser for acne and pimples. Okay, not for lightening. It's not going to lighten your face. It's not going to do much, just to target acne, to target pimples, and also couple with dark spots. But the main function is just to target pimples, like serious pimples, not just one pimples. If you have serious pimples, I will advise you to use one of these cleansers to clear your pimples. Yes, guys, so let's start. So the first cleanser here, guys, is the RDL tretinoin cleanser. So this is RDL tretinoin cleanser. This cleanser is very effective when it comes to pimples. It's very effective when it comes to pimples, and this has hydroquinone on it. Okay, this is made with hydroquinone, so it's not going. Don't panic because it is made with hydroquinone, then you'll be thinking it's going to destroy your face. No, this is tested and trusted. So this is the RDL cleanser. It is made with hydroquinone, and it is particularly for acne. Okay, it is particularly for acne, nothing more. So if you have acne, I will advise you to use this cleanser, and also I will advise you to use this cleanser during the night time. Okay, during the night time you can use this cleanser, but during the daytime the cleanser is not really nice just because of the sunburn. Okay, during the daytime, if you're going under the sun, I'm not going to advise you to use this cleanser. So but at night, use this cleanser, and 1 week your pimples is just going to get cleared. Trust me, guys, your pimples is going to get cleared. Okay, the thing about this cleanser is a bit harsh on the face. Is it harsh? I don't know how to put it, but it's a bit harsh. Like if you apply it on your face with your cotton wool, it's going to, at that moment, it's going to tingle. You know, that this kind of tingly, kind of a tingly feeling. Okay, it's just going to give you that kind of tingly feeling, like you will feel as if it's burning your face. No, trust me, it's not burning. It's just a bit tingly on your face at that moment. So that is why I said use this at night time. It is best to use at night time. And if your pimples is that type that is cut, you know, we have some kind of pimples, but you see the pimples, the mouth is cut already. Even some of us, we are the one that always pinch pimples. So if you have that kind of pimples that the mouth is cut already, or maybe it is bringing blood already, okay, do not use this cleanser on it, please, because it is clearly written here that you should not apply it on a cut skin. Okay, it is clearly written here that you should not apply it on a cut skin. But if your pimples is not cut, like it's just a normal pimples, this cleanser is going to help to dry it off. But if you have your pimple that is already cut or pinched, please do not apply it. Or you can just test it and see. Immediately you apply this on your face with a pimple that is already cut, man, you're going to feel that, you know, like when you apply spirits. If you have injury on your skin and you apply a spirit on it or alcohol on it, you see that feeling, that burning feeling. That is how you're going to feel if you apply this on your pimples, if your pimples is already cut, like open pimples. But if your pimples is not open, trust me, this is going to dry it up. Okay, and this is made with hydroquinone, but it is safe, very safe. So I will advise you again, if you want to use this thing, like if you have sensitive skin, yes, if you have sensitive skin and you want to use this thing, for you just to be on the safer side because your skin is very sensitive, then you can mix this with rose water. Best way, that is how I mix mine. Okay, I mix mine with rose water. or you can also mix this with another pimples cleanser that is a bit gentle. But for me, I'll prefer you mix this with rose water if you have sensitive skin, really sensitive skin. Okay, this one, you just take one of these and you take something like a 100 ml of rose water and you mix it together, so that the rose water will just help to dilute the cleanser. It's going to help to like reduce the harshness on it. Like I said before, if you apply it on your face, you're going to feel that tingly stuff. And if you have sensitive skin, so you mix with rose water. But if you know your face is okay, like you don't really get irritated with things, you can use this directly. For me, I mix mine with rose water, and I also mix with other gentle cleanser, because this is strong. Trust me, guys. Okay, so this is called the hydroquinone tretinoin RODL cleanser, or you can just call it RODL cleanser. Go to the market, look for RODL cleanser. So we also have another RODL cleanser. That one comes in a plastic container, so don't get that one. That one I really don't know what is. I've been seeing the pictures, so I've not tried it. I don't know what is it, but they also wrote RODL cleanser on it. I don't know, but this one comes in the bottle form. Get this very one to help you to fight acne, guys. So up to the next one. Yep. So we have our Dermalis. We have our Dermalis cleanser for acne, for pimples. So one thing about Dermalis cleanser and the other thing about that RODL, Dermalis cleanser also lighten up your face, but the other one, that RODL cleanser, it's not going to lighten up your face. It's just to target your pimples and your acne. But this one targets pimples and acne, and also this also lighten up your face. So if you want to fight pimples and you are kind of okay, you want to dry up your pimples, but you don't want to get light at the same time, so I would prefer that you get the other one. Okay, but if you want to dry up your pimples and at the same time you want to lighten your face, then I will advise you to get this Dermalis cleanser. Dermalis cleanser is going to help to dry up your pimples, guys. It is going to help to dry up your pimples and also lighten up your pimples. So if you also have, like I said, if you also have sensitive skin, you can mix with rose water just to dilute it a bit. And Dermalis cleanser, we have the one that comes from Cotonou, we have the one that comes from Nigeria. For me, I really do not know the difference, like the one from Cotonou, the one from Nigeria. Just that the one from Nigeria, I think the one from Nigeria have NAFDAC number. Yeah, the one from Nigeria have NAFDAC number, but the one from Cotonou does not have NAFDAC number. So I always prefer the one from Cotonou. I don't know why. God have mercy on me anyway. You know, I prefer the one from Cotonou. So each time I want to buy from my suppliers, I always tell them, please give me the one from Cotonou, because I feel that one is the original one. Okay, I feel the one from Cotonou is the original one. So you can get the one from Nigeria, you can get the one from Cotonou, just any which way. So for me, I prefer the one from Cotonou. So I don't, my reason being that maybe that will be the original one, because it was Cotonou that started making this Dermalis cleanser before Nigerians started making Dermalis cleanser. So I just feel Nigerian Dermalis cleanser is just like imitation. Okay, I just feel like, okay, maybe this Nigerian own is just an imitation. Of course, anything that has to do with imitation is really not original. So I normally get the Cotonou Dermalis cleanser, and the Cotonou Dermalis cleanser is more expensive more than the Nigeria Dermalis cleanser. So you can see the logic there. Okay, I always buy my products in cartons, so the one from Cotonou is more expensive than the one from Nigeria. But the one from Nigeria have NAFDAC number, the one from Cotonou do not have NAFDAC number, and the one from Cotonou is a bit yellowish in color. Okay, the one from Cotonou is a bit yellowish in color, but the one from Nigeria, the liquid inside is not yellow. So can you see that? So the liquid inside is not yellow. So I prefer buying the one from Cotonou, and it is working perfectly for pimples. So don't use this dermalist cleanser like, okay, you want to use it for any other stuff. The only thing you can use it for is pimples. Okay, it's pimples, just pure pimples and acne, but it's still going to give you a little bit of that lightening effect, and best to use at night. I will always advise that we should always use cleanser at night, just because of the sun, guys. Because of the sun, we should use cleansers at night. So this one, use at night and dry up your pimples. So to the next one, guys. The sun is just coming and going. Can you see my face? God, I beg. The sun is just coming and going. Oh God, this 3 days sun. So guys, we have the other one. We have the Pearl de Luna cleanser. Yes, Pearl de Luna cleanser help with acne, and this one also help with dark spots. Okay, this one help with acne, dark spots, and also lighten up your face. So I also use this one, and I will also advise you, if you want to dry up your pimples, you can also use this one. Okay, this one is the milder one. They have it in 3 colors. They have the green one, they have the brown one, and they have this pink one. So for the green one, I haven't tried it. I'm not going to tell you it is, if it is milder, if it is soft, if it is strong, but trust me guys, the brown one, it is very, very strong. It is going to give you a mild peeling. The brown one will give you a mild peeling, like for like 1 week. You're not really going to love your face, but trust me, at the end of the process, you're going to love your face. And this does not only cure pimples and dark spots, it's also good when it comes to sunburn. Just apply it. If you want to use it for sunburn, just use it to clean the affected area where you have your sunburn. But for your pimples, also where you have your pimples, and this is also great, guys. If you want to use it on the sensitive skin, add rose water to it to dilute it. Okay, some people use this one and they wash it off. Me, I don't wash it off, because using it for 30 minutes and washing it off, I just feel I'm washing off the thing that I applied on my face to help me with pimples. So I use it at night without washing it off, and it has not damaged my skin. And I always use the brown one. So I noticed that the brown one starts to, if anytime I use the brown one, under 2 to 3 days, I will be having this mild peeling on my face. So what I started doing, I will mix this pink one with the brown one together, or I will mix the brown one with rose water together, just to avoid the mild peeling. But if you are not going anywhere, you will be in your house for like 1 week, you can use that brown one so that it can give you that mild peeling and peel off those rough skin, peel off those pimples, peel off those dark spots. If you know you're not going out for 1 week, you're going to stay in your house for 1 week, then you can use the brown one. So guys, this is it. I hope you'll find this video very helpful and try any of these pimples cleanser. You're going to love it. For sensitive skin, I will advise you to skip the RODL. It is really, really strong. Skip it, or you mix with rose water. Okay, but if your skin is normal, you don't have skin irritation, nothing irritates your skin, then you can use the RODL cleanser directly. That one is made with hydroquinone. Okay, for the other cleanser, I read it, there's nothing like hydroquinone. Yes, maybe they may add hydroquinone to it and they will not write it on the list. I don't know. I only know that the RODL, there's hydroquinone on it. So guys, that is it, and I'm going to see you in my next video, guys. Stay tuned and bye.